Good morning, fellow humans. I thought you'd like to take a little walk with me. I'm getting ready to gather up a bunch of rose petals because I'm going to make rose-infused oil and water. This is just one very small bush here. Another even smaller bush. I'm not starting with them. Now, another thing, I wanted to kind of show you how things are going along. Here are the plums. Look at it. Yeah, look at that. They're coming along real nicely. I look forward to canning them this year. Truly, I do. I hope we get as many this year as we did last year. If that's the case, I'm going to be going poor with buying canning jars because they are very expensive now. Thought I'd take you a tour and let you see some of the flowers I get to pick every day if I wish, and put some in my room. All of the white ones are coming on this side now. The purple ones have been coming along beautiful. Walk along with me. See what you think. This is what I get to see as I walk to go see the horses. Here's the purple ones. Pretty. Yeah. And some more. Another rose bush. Quite a big one here too. They're really busy being roses. Some more lighter purple. Lavender. Another rose bush. A few right here. And on this side, all this whole huge bush that goes all the way around this huge tree is all blackberries. And I made blackberry jam last season. Oh, it's getting warm here, fellas and ladies. Hoy, hoy, hoy. That's why I'm stopped here in the shade for a minute, because I'm going to have to go out in the sun. And I may have to wait until later to pick them because I'm already sweating pretty good. Yeah, it gets pretty hot here in the Paso Robles area. Here is another one. And I can go outside and pick the petals too. Goes all the way up. And then comes all the way over here. Oops, a hole. Now, there's a whole different kind of roses over here. And by the way, this rose bush goes way back, all the way along the fence. Now, check this one out. Isn't that just amazing? And it goes all the way down the road. Okay, that's just outside the back fence. This one is, and it goes way up there. And they smell delicious. Oh, I look forward to I'm making a special batch out of these because these smell differently. Now, here we go to the mother lode. Check this one out. I was going to trim this back, but I didn't get to it this season. Things crept up on me, but check that out. Rose petal galore. Oh my gosh, and it goes way over here. And way over here, and it goes on the roof. Check that out. Okay, I gotta get out of the sun. Whew, I'm in the stalls. Checking out the horses, seeing what they're up to. Not much. They're out in the pasture enjoying life as a horse. Oh. Well, I just wanted to show you. I think I'm going to leave the petal picking for when it cools off, because it is a little afternoon, and man, it gets nice and warm here, let me tell you. So, thanks for following along. Oh, and by the way, we have 1,000,001 of these coming up, and these are hollyhocks. And that is some mint. We pick it and make our own mint tea. So there's hardly anywhere in this farm that you can't look. There's a pomegranate tree. I don't remember all the other trees. Here's our hollyhock area. A lot of hollyhocks coming in there. There's a horse in the background, way back there if you can see her. And all the trees here, nectarine, they're all fruit bearing. And these are just ones in the yard. We have a grove also way back there. If you can see that, you can see that the stage is coming along. I think it's become a bigger project than we all thought it would, but that's okay too. Anyway, hope your day is going good. Oh, my day's wonderful. And Betty too. Say hi, Betty. Tell them hi. Okay, she's kind of nah, because it's hot. Oh, wait. Before I sign off, I got to show you these flowers. These are in the front of the house by the door. Someone's been eating on those. And how about this? Check these out. Aren't they pretty? Beautiful. And we have strawberry. Oh, these are pretty too. I don't know the name of them, but they're beautiful. And we have strawberries in the pot and on the ground. I don't know what these red ones are, but they're just wonderful. And they're everywhere. And then we have these lovelies. And those lovelies. And a lot of these have already bloomed. We have lavender. And I think that'll do it. That's pretty much all of them. Bye, folks. Have a good day.